Hi guys, it's me, Misha. Let's take a look at the markets. Um, Happy V-Day, everyone. I believe it's today, right? In Russia, they celebrate May 9th. But in the rest of the Western Hemisphere, I believe it's May 8th. Yeah, it feels like yuan is bouncing of the of the 0.5. Like this. Yeah, I think it's finally bouncing. This was not bad to buy, I think. That like here. No. Yeah. Yeah. But anyhow, I got stuck because my broker didn't fill me in like here. That sucks. And I think they still didn't keep my order. Let me check it real quick. I think there's some problem with my broker for yuan future. But I'll leave it. It's just like it's a small amount, and I feel content to keep it. Yeah, no. It doesn't hold at all. This broker is no good. I need a new broker. It's problematic because I technically need to go back, which I can't, to get a new broker. Intel, yeah, just crashes down. My entire vision might have been wrong, right? But oh, this volume, no, I think we're all good. I think we are good. Maybe it's time to sell this guy. I don't think it is. It can go, though. What if I close at least half of it? This is not bad, though. There was some indecisiveness here. But then, boom. This is how it went. And I've been shown finally how to synchronize automatically my drawings so that I can split screens and see superior and inferior in time frame at the same time. So I was scrolling up here and then went all the way up and then never actually broke T1 level, T2 level, I'm sorry. So yeah, it's after this volume, I think it's good. Previous T2 doesn't make sense. That was a big one. And that's like right 0.5. Yeah. I think there's no point to... I'm sorry. It looks real good. Look at this volume. There was this volume, then there's this volume. Yeah, now let's hold it. Oh, I got under weather. This is ridiculous. But yeah, hold on. Let me put in my socks. This is how I do it. Getting under weather in LA in May. It's not funny at all. Yeah, everything was good here. It's good to go. Still good to go. Yeah, like we don't draw like this at the transitory extremum. But wait. So I wouldn't draw it like this to play it long, but I mean, look how powerful it was. It was gap and go that didn't go at all. So let it run. This guy needs to decide what wants to do, but it's in 0.5, so I'll leave it alone. Yeah, this guy goes. Home Depot. Yeah, this is a little too high, just because of this gap, I think, again. Yeah. Yeah, now it broke below, so now. Now it's officially short. I'm sorry, I'm yawning. I figured I maybe should start sleeping without my sleeping mask, because I start really sleeping and then it bugs me. It bugs me. Yeah, I don't know how to be with. Anyhow, ever since it broke here, yeah, I think it'll go, but without me. BBM. BBM. Will not be a bad level to buy. If it comes here. Boom, Comcast goes. Breaks away from this volume. I feel like it's a moderately positive DE for the market. All in all. Hi there. it should not be changing directionality on the correction. It's always alarming. Like here as well. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Apple. Oh, this is happening right now. Can I be wrong? Absolutely. There was volume here, though. And then it fell down, and then it re-emerged like phoenix from the ashes. If I'm wrong, it's just gonna go a long way. It's scary. However, if I'm not, it will bounce from here. This looks like an exhaustion volume. This is a good volume. I think I should take it. If there's anything on the hourly, of course. And there is. I just need this. Yeah, a little problem is this level. That's weird it didn't go. But we got tested here. You see? This is even a bigger volume. And it didn't go. Someone sold all this volume, supplied. Someone supplied all this volume. This is very strange. Broke above. And this. There's weird volumes. Someone supplies to all this buying, someone supplies to all this buying. That's very odd. It can correct to anywhere. It can correct to here. Can correct to here. That's the problem, yes. No. This is doable. Where is all this? It's here. I think it should go. I think it should go. Model is here. Someone buys out this volume. I mean something quick, yeah. I mean something like this. The problem is though, is that if it goes against me, I won't be able to use my real stop, my virtual stop. So if it goes against me, I come back in 10 days and it's like there, down there. It's just not simply the biggest volume, it's like the biggest volume of forever. And it didn't go nowhere. It meant all the demand. I think it's good. I think I should set it up with a real stop. What do you guys think? My only problem on monthly is that it's up high. You know what I mean? This is bigger. If you have like bigger volumes here, the bars are bearish, but it doesn't matter. This looks good. Yeah. This is a little problematic, but this volume is bigger. It's up high. And also sell in May and stay away. Am I ready to use like my one stop a month rule? One real stop, because I'll have to set up a real stop. So I'll be gone. Yeah. No, this isn't decisive. Like this volumes comes, but market doesn't move. Someone is still trying to sell. Like big volumes are supplied. Whoever is buying all this finds all the supply on the market. This is weird. This is not a correction to this. To this. The distinctive volume, all the rest volumes are bearish. All this is bearish. I think it's good. Machinery from Netherlands. Okay, machinery from Netherlands. I think I'm gonna take you. I don't see why not. In 5 minutes it's even goes up here and there, breaks down but never confirms. Is it? I'm sorry. Yeah, it's a balance from here. And let's break above. And it's higher. So yeah. It's been a while since I've charted 5 minutes for the last time. It's been a minute. It's not in 0.5 though anyway, right? Yeah, that was the entry. Pum. We need a test. It wasn't terrible. Come on. It was below 0.5. So yeah, couldn't take it. It can still correct to 0.5, I think. Yeah, and that's at the volume level. Yay. Okay, let's put it in wording. Trend rate, long impulse, and strength level, center correction. I'm not sure, like, yeah, which correction to put it, but yeah, it's fair to say. It's fair to say. That's actually counter trend rate, and it's short impulse, and it's it's monthly support level, it's correction monthly, and it's biggest volume T1, and its biggest volume spring. Oops. And it's support level. And on our list, it's a aggressive counter trend rate, and it's short impulse, and it's gosh, I glitched. Short impulse, and it's volumed, not the biggest volume, but volumed T1 level, and it's volumed spring. And it's weak test, and it's the first. Oh! No, why would it? First bullish bar closed entry, and it's calculated affordable stop loss, and it's wanted to take profit before volume zone. The volume distribution is for reversal, not for this guy. But nothing is perfect for this world, in this world. I could arguably say that I will only enter conservative here if, you know, play it out like this from 0.5 here. But it's not going to really help me in terms of this volume. What was happening here? What was happening here? Let's see real quick. Yeah. That was what's happening here. Boom, it dropped. It was bought out. And lower. Then boom, 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 boom. Yeah. That's not the major question. The major question, ladies and gentlemen, is this is bigger. It's 130 millions, 123. The bigger question is 0.5 here. It's high. It can correct higher. Oh, it can correct lower. It can go to 0.5 of this thing. It can go to 0.5 of this thing. Like, I mean, most unlikely. But also possible. With this volume, I don't think so. Even though it was like bearish volume, but we see like there's a lot of volume here. I think I need to take this trade. I think I do. For a quick trade like this. And you can really, so the low here was 0.28, close 0.29. So it's like 1 bar up spring, and it's weird that the volume came after. It's also not abnormal. Yeah, I think I'm gonna crunch numbers into my broker and see what I can do about it. And see what I can do about it. So crunching the numbers and see what I can do. Yeah, I can do it. Yeah, if it goes to lower point fights, it's not gonna be fun. But I think it's a good trade to take, and it's my 8th, and it's swing, and the ticker is STLA. So this is what I have on monthly. And my problem is that it doesn't have the trend trade. We don't have manipulation signal. And this is what we have on on daily. And of course, it's a quick trade in and out, and no. Oh wait, it's counter trend. Yeah. And you can put, there is a spring. I mean, it's gonna close in hour and a half. Well, it can close whatever, but I do believe it will close as a spring. And there's also spring here, and it's aggressive, and spring. Stop loss is gonna be and take profit when we wanted to risk to reward. And it's gonna be real stop loss, ladies and gentlemen. I think it looks good. I think it looks good. And we're even before this volume, so I think we're due a little bump. Another thing is that like the first transitory extremum was like really here, but we changed the rules from where I started to study to where we are right now. So where if it's like 1 bar rule and it was broke right away, so it doesn't matter. This volume is a little bit concerning, but all in all, I think that's how wave reverses. Like it's like a train fell down, like boom, and then bounce, and then bounce, and you see, it's when it becomes. There's weakness here, weakness here. It does look like a reversal. We're gonna keep it below this volume. Yeah. And there's, yeah. We'll keep it below this volume. I think this would be even cooler, but it needs to go. It absolutely can go. And kind of move it a little bit and move closer to. Also here, look, this volume here, and now it's a big correction. Strength, weakness. We have our model. And this volume even bigger than the last volume of the yesterday, yeah. Can it correct lower? It can. Will it? Not necessarily. It's a risk, but the risk is calculated. It's, yeah, my biggest one is that it's like a little bit high here, but I'm not trying to, you know, do investment trade or go above this level, which I totally could, even on daily. Technically, I'm not good. I'm not bad up to here, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it just because of this. And my setup is swing. On daily, I wouldn't care. If my setup was spring, test, resumption of... but I think it will fly. I think it will test and then jump out. But yeah, if I was taking it from daily, I could totally play it like 2R here, 30%, 30%, like third, and third. But I'm taking it from hours, and I have to respect. When in a swing trade, do as swingers do. I gotta tell you. So I'm taking a swing. Well, I could take it like 2R here, and then another 2R. I could make it half and half and milk it a little bit. But I only expect a bounce. No, don't do it to yourself, Misha. I only expect a bounce here. And like with this volume, it went even lower. That's a little concerning too. But you see how, like, here it broke the model and then went higher. Like, it does it all the time. Broke the model, held this guy and went higher. Broke this model, went higher. It happens all the time. Yeah, no, it's gonna be... Yeah, it's gonna be 2R. 2R. Real stop loss, unfortunately, because I'm not gonna be able to manage this trade. Yeah. It can easily gap too. It can gap over tomorrow. Yeah, I'll take this trade. Or should I not? Real stop, Misha. I'll have to take a real stop. I think it will set up and it will gap tomorrow. That's how I feel about it. Everything is good here. Everything is good here. It's a little weird that the volume is here, the bigger volume, and it didn't go, but it's okay. And yet we are above this volume now. Yeah, now I'll take this trade. I'll take this trade. I'll take this trade. You know what? This is lunchtime. It is lunchtime. I think it's not gonna go today. I think it's gonna like just gap tomorrow. Yeah. And I think it's a good trade. It's a little bit scary up here, but what can you do? The rest checks out. Just checks out. Interesting. It just acts out like yeah. That's not gonna happen. That's how it closed. Come on, we can see it. Closes 0.39. 0.39. This is it's gonna be hanging there. It can go into this volume level. It's already been here. Yeah, this is a weak correction. There's no volume here whatsoever. Even Bible from here, like boom, very similar. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'll take my stop. There's absolutely no volume here. Look, everything just died. Like it should be. Oops. Like it should be. There's a bigger volume here, but we are above it. Daily checks out. There was some strength here. And then weakness. Everything just died again. And now strength. Yeah, no, everything checks out to me. We'll see how it goes, but don't tell me you're gonna close. Bearish. I'll just wait for it to close. 21.39. It's just like by ticks, but yeah, it's closing. Yeah. Okay, it's happening. Okay. I'm filled at 21.42.68. I'm filled at timestamp 2:29 p.m. Okay, I'm in. Okay, so that's an entry. Let me log it into my journal. Okay, I'm in, ladies and gentlemen. So I can even go, no, I mean, That's the real setup. I like it better like this. It's all in details, ladies and gentlemen. It's all in details. So now let me set up my profit. I'm not gonna set up my stop loss just as of yet. I'll send it in the end of the day. Just because I don't like real stop losses. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is what it is. Okay. I've set up my take profit. Stop loss, I'll set it in the end of the day. It's not gonna happen much, but let me put it to let me share this idea. STLA, you take it from 1 hour long aggressive counter trend trade. Context on daily is such. Context on daily. Context on monthly. Yeah, that's it. Trend analysis, technical indicators. No, not chart patterns. Trend analysis. Continue. Long, show more tax. STLA. Long setup. Support and resistance zones. Waves, week of volume spread, volume spread analysis. I never traded STLA yet. Yeah, I think quite affordable real stop loss. Yeah, I have to take a real stop loss sometimes. And they have a limit, 1 stop a day. Oh, yeah, that's true as well. But 1 stop, 1 real stop loss a month. So if I get stopped out of this one, that's it for this month. Yes, I'm in the game. And let it sink now. What are you thinking about? You guys know this joke well too, all too well. If you're trained, everything I do is not a financial advice. It's my personal opinion on how the market works. So yeah, trade on your own responsibly. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go do my morning exercise. See you later. See you in 10 days, actually.